Hi, this is Sentiment Analyzer. I have created this application using Python, machine learning, NLTK and Flask application. So just enter the content here. So this is the comment written by somebody. So I have pasted here. So let's perform. See, we have two buttons over here. One is basic analysis and the other one is sentiment analysis. So right now I want to perform basic analysis first. So if you can see, we have different settings here. You can check or uncheck these features. So one is ignore case, other one is stop words, and third one is stemming. So these all things are there. If you want to use, then you can take it. If you don't want to use, then uncheck it. So let's perform the basic analysis on it. When I performed basic analysis on it, so you can see this is the stats. Total characters were 796 and sentences were 8. Total tokens were 70 and unique tokens were 57. And if you scroll down, and you can check, like Python word appear most of the time, and then the frequency of this word is this much, and this is how the frequency of other words were. So now let's go back to home page and write the comment again and then perform sentiment analysis on it. For that you need to click on this button. I've clicked on it, and over here you can see the stats. Overall sentiment is positive, means that the comment we have posted for checking the sentiment, so that particular comment is a positive comment, and this is the positive score, neutral score and negative score. This is how this sentiment analyzer is working. Thank you.